Good morning, guys. Getting some of your emails, I noticed that some of you guys struggled and had questions on the Venn diagram yesterday. So we're going to slow it down a little bit today, give you another example, and then go back and rework that Venn diagram that's on Canvas and see if we have a little more success today. So we kind of got the same situation. I've got hamburgers and hot dogs again. Just change the numbers here. In our situation, we got 100 total. 65 people like hamburgers, 32 people like hot dogs, 20 people like both. One of the issues that I saw yesterday, people were overcounting. They were counting for both the people who like both and just hot dogs, or both, and they like just hamburgers as well. So when we fill out these Venn diagrams, piece of advice, always start with the middle. This middle part here, this is our and. That is the and. That's the people that like both. So that's where I'm going to put the 20. Circle A represents our hamburgers. There's 65 people that like hamburgers. I cannot put 65 in here because if I go back and I look at just that circle, if I have 65 here and 20 here, I've got a total of 85. So I've got to subtract . And that'll get me 45 people that just like hamburgers. Total of 65 people that like hamburgers. These 20 represent the people that like both. Same idea with the B. I've got 32 people who like hot dogs, but I can't put 32 there. I've got to subtract and find out how many just like the hot dogs, but they don't like hamburgers. So now when I look at this, I get a total of 45, 20, and 12. Those three add up to 77. There's a total of 100 people. So there's something left over. Those are the people that don't like hamburgers or hot dogs. That's got to go out here to whatever's left. So we get 23. So now when we go through and we answer these questions, probability of A, that's the people that like hamburgers. Okay? Well, that's 65 out of 100. Probability B, people that like hot dogs, that's 32. I've got 32 people liking hot dogs out of 100. Probability of A and B, okay? This is our overlapping. So the part that overlaps there in the center, 20 out of 100 people like both. A or B. This is everything in our circles. Let's write the circles actually there. That's everything in the circle. So that is our 45, 20, and 12. Total of 77 out of 100. This is our complement here. These are the people that don't like, the opposite. So if 65 people like hamburgers out of 100, the complement is whatever's left. That is going to be 35 out of 100. Complement of B, those are the people that do not like hot dogs. We had 32 people like hot dogs. So to find out how many people don't like hot dogs, subtract from 100, 68 people don't like hot dogs. I'm going to skip this one because this is a tough one. We'll come back to it here in a sec. This is the people, they do not like hamburgers or hot dogs. So if I look at this, complement of A, these two things have to add up to 100. Complement of B, 68 and 32, they have to add up to 100. This is the complement of this one. If this is everything that is in the circles, this has to be everything that is not in the circles. That is our 23 that we have out here. And then finally, our last one. This is read as not A and B. So it's everything that is not in A. So that would be this and this. Those are not in A, but it has to be in B. So the only part, the only check mark of these that is actually in circle B is this guy right here. That doesn't work because it doesn't fit inside B. So we have a total of 12 over 100. And I hope that helps you guys a little bit today. Like I said, go back and rework that problem that is on Canvas. You got multiple attempts on it. That's all we're going to do today. We're going to slow it down a little bit, kind of get a feel for this, and then we'll pick back up tomorrow. Have a great day, guys, and we'll talk to you later.